question. Start now or stay broke. So what do you think is the actual difference between the people who are rich and the people who are poor? You'd probably say money, a big house, cars, and things like that. And how do you think they got all of these? From a job? Maybe yes, but not in most cases. A business would be a better answer. So how do you start a business when you don't know anything about it? Just do a YouTube course or something like that. Then you'll ask, how do I get the money to start a business? You can take a business loan, or better, learn something that doesn't need money to start. There are hundreds of these things online. You just need a phone, an internet connection, and the guts to work every day with consistency, which a lot of people don't have on this planet called Earth. That's why so many people are what we call poor. Because they want money or to get rich, but they don't want to work that hard. And the messed up part? They think getting rich doesn't require hard work, because they've seen a few rich people say they don't work hard. But actually, they are working hard. They just don't even know it, because what they do now feels natural to them, but it's still hard work. So if you still think you need a proper plan before starting a business, then you're already screwed. Just make a plan in one day and start doing it. Just start, no matter what you think. And when you do, you'll start seeing changes in yourself as days go by. Yeah, you'll lose. Yeah, it might fail once or twice, but I know it'll work. Just keep going, and your life will change. For good.